Go back to the forecast with our Brett Anthony. Brett, the extreme heat continues.
It does. I bet you wish the Cowboys offense was this relentless.
I wish.
Because it continues, and it's going to continue at least through the weekend, and then some changes coming next week. 107 today. Tyler, Longview, Lufkin, 105. Those are record highs. Check this out. Ollie Pack sent me this photo from Howe Club Lake in Winona. 107. They said that's the hottest temperature they've had up there all summer long. David Schaefer up early catching some catfish off the dock out at Lake Palestine. Beautiful sunrise, and said it was quite pleasant this morning. Excessive heat warning continues till tomorrow at 8 p.m. Why? Well, the heat index values are expected to be above 110 again all over East Texas. That breaks down to look like this. By 11 a.m., it already feels like 103. You're into heat advisory criteria by noon, getting into that excessive heat warning criteria by 2 and staying there all afternoon with an air temperature very close to today, right around 106, and that feels like temperature topping out at around 111 at Lufkin and Jefferson, maybe 106 over at Palestine. Lo and behold, what is this? We have rain on radar, and not just little tiny showers. We're talking about clusters now beginning to develop, especially over northern Nacogdoches County. We had a severe thunderstorm warning earlier in Sabine County, but check this out from near Garrison and Appleby, north of Nacogdoches, slowly working its way westward toward Douglas and Cushing. So you might get about 15 to 20 minutes worth of rain. Crockett getting rain right now, just missing Latexo. But that is certainly good news to see folks finally starting to pick up rain. This trend's going to continue through the weekend. Overnight tonight, very warm again, dropping down to near 80 for the overnight low. Might be a little cooler in outlying areas. For instance, Nacogdoches down to 75, Mineola down to 76. Future Skycast, tomorrow morning we start off with sunshine. We warm up, then look what happens. These isolated to widely scattered showers develop again. Maybe not as much in the coverage as today, but we'll go 30% chance. Sunday morning starts off with a mixture of sun and clouds. It's very hot Sunday, but then the front moves in. And by Sunday evening, we've got widespread showers, thunderstorms, about a 40% chance lasting into Monday morning. And behind that, much cooler weather moving in. 30% chance tomorrow, 40% chance Sunday, 50% chance on Monday. Quick look at the tropics, keeping an eye down here as this disturbed area of weather will try to develop into a named storm and drift across the Gulf. The problem with this is it starts to develop around Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. A lot of the cruise ships coming out of Galveston head toward Cozumel and arrive there about Monday, Tuesday, Costa Maya. So those problems, that could alter some plans in those areas. So if you have a cruise ship or a cruise trip next week, you may want to call ahead and see how things are being impacted by that potential tropical storm. All right, Baylor Scott White, Texas by Joint Hospital 7-day forecast might get a record tomorrow with a high temperature of 106. If it does hit 106, that will be a record. A few of us will get a thunderstorm. Hot, then stormy Sunday. Monday, rain likely, especially first half of the day. Look how much cooler. 95 Monday, 94 Tuesday. My eyes are on Wednesday and Thursday morning. The lows back into the 60s. That is going to feel great.